Welcome back to Global Finance. Did you ever thought about investing in the Canadian dollar? Don't invest until you have watched this video, because Noon should invest in something he doesn't know about. So let's get ready for a short and informative video with all need-to-know facts. The Canadian dollar, CAD, symbolized as C, is one of the world's most traded currencies. Known for its stability and backed by a robust economy, the Canadian dollar plays a crucial role in the global financial market. We will delve into the history, features, and significance of the Canadian dollar, offering a comprehensive overview of this important currency. The Canadian dollar's journey began in 1858, when the province of Canada issued its first official currency. Prior to this, various forms of currency were in circulation, including the British pound, French franc, and Spanish dollar. The adoption of a unified currency was a significant step in establishing economic stability and cohesion across the provinces. In 1858, Canada adopted the decimal system, similar to the United States, which made currency calculations simpler and more efficient. The new Canadian dollar was pegged to the gold standard, ensuring its value was backed by physical gold reserves. Canada adhered to the gold standard until the early 20th century. This meant that each Canadian dollar was backed by a specific amount of gold, providing confidence in its value. However, the Great Depression and subsequent economic challenges led to the abandonment of the gold standard, aligning with global trends. In 1970, Canada moved to a floating exchange rate system, allowing the value of the Canadian dollar to be determined by the foreign exchange market. This transition enabled greater flexibility in responding to economic changes and global market conditions. The Canadian dollar is issued in both coin and banknote form. The Royal Canadian Mint produces coins, while the Bank of Canada is responsible for banknotes. Canadian currency is known for its distinctive and innovative features. 1 coins, penny, 1 cent, phased out in 2012 due to high production costs relative to its value. Nickel, 5 cents. Dime, 10 cents. Quarter, 25 cents. Loonie, 1. Introduced in 1987, the loonie features a common loon on one side. Toonie, 2. Introduced in 1996, the toonie features a polar bear on one side. 2 banknotes. Banknotes come in denominations of $5, $10, $20, $50, and $100. Canadian banknotes are known for their vibrant colors and security features such as holograms, raised ink, and transparent windows. In 2011, Canada transitioned to polymer banknotes, enhancing durability and security. The Canadian dollar is often referred to as a commodity currency due to Canada's rich natural resources. The value of the CAD is influenced by the prices of commodities like oil, natural gas, and minerals. When commodity prices rise, the Canadian dollar typically strengthens. Canada is a major trading nation, with significant exports of natural resources, manufactured goods, and agricultural products. The United States is Canada's largest trading partner, and the close economic ties between the two countries have a substantial impact on the value of the Canadian dollar. The Bank of Canada is responsible for the country's monetary policy, aiming to promote economic stability and growth. Key responsibilities include: 1. Setting interest rates. The Bank of Canada sets the overnight rate, influencing borrowing costs and economic activity. 2. Inflation targeting. The bank aims to keep inflation within a target range of 1–3%, ensuring price stability. 3. Currency issuance. Ensuring an adequate supply of currency and maintaining public confidence in its value. Several economic indicators influence the value of the Canadian dollar. 1. Gross domestic product, GDP, measures the overall economic output and health of the economy. 2. Employment rates. Higher employment rates typically strengthen the currency. 3. Inflation rates. Moderate inflation is a sign of a healthy economy, influencing currency strength. 4. Commodity prices. As a commodity currency, fluctuations in commodity prices directly impact the CAD. 5. Trade balance. A positive trade balance, exports-imports, usually supports a stronger currency. The Canadian dollar is the 5th most held reserve currency in the world, highlighting its global significance. Central banks and financial institutions hold CAD as part of their foreign exchange reserves, reflecting confidence in Canada's economic stability. Like all currencies, the Canadian dollar faces challenges and periods of volatility. Factors contributing to these fluctuations include: 1. Global economic conditions. Economic downturns or booms in major economies like the US and China can influence the CAD. 2. Commodity price swings. Sudden changes in commodity prices such as oil can lead to rapid shifts in the currency's value. 3. Political events. Elections, trade agreements, and geopolitical tensions can impact investor confidence and currency strength. The future of the Canadian dollar will be shaped by various factors, including technological advancements, economic policies, and global market dynamics. Innovations in digital currencies and blockchain technology may also influence how the Canadian dollar evolves. The Bank of Canada is exploring the potential for a central bank digital currency, CBDC, reflecting the growing interest in digital forms of money. A CBDC could offer a secure and efficient alternative to physical cash, enhancing the financial system's resilience. The Canadian dollar is a vital component of Canada's economic landscape and plays a significant role in global finance. Its history, backed by natural resources and a stable economy, makes it a reliable and influential currency. Understanding the factors that influence the Canadian dollar helps in appreciating its importance and anticipating its future trajectory. In summary, the Canadian dollar has a rich history marked by significant milestones such as the adoption of the decimal system, the gold standard era, and the shift to a floating exchange rate. Its physical characteristics, economic significance, and role in international trade underscore its importance. As Canada continues to navigate the complexities of the global economy, the Canadian dollar will remain a cornerstone of its financial identity. So back to our starting question. Do you think about investing in this strong currency? Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you want to get more informative videos like this, or if you want to stay updated about in-depth trading content, or videos about cryptocurrencies coming soon, hit the subscribe button and stay updated.